from mobilemechanicdallas.com.
Local emergency vehicle roadside assistance service in Dallas drivers. We know life doesn't stop when your car does. Whether you're stuck on the LBJ Freeway, A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Dallas is here for you. From emergency roadside assistance to car inspections, call us anytime at 214-935-3831. And don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast in as-is condition anywhere in U.S., go to carhelpout.com/house and get a relief. We provide mobile mechanics so you don't have to get a tow truck service. At A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Dallas, we handle a wide range of roadside emergencies, flat tire repairs and replacements, battery jump starts and replacements, lockout assistance, fuel delivery, towing, and recovery. We're here to get you back on the road fast. Thinking about buying a used car? Our pre-purchase inspection service is your safeguard. We'll examine the vehicle and provide a detailed report. From engine issues to brakes, we'll uncover it all. With A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Dallas, buy with confidence. So why choose A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Dallas? Fast response times, availability. Car troubles don't keep business hours, and neither do we. Call us anytime at 214-935-3831. No hidden fees, just fair rates. Our skilled team is ready to handle anything. Customer 1, my car broke down late at night on I-30. A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Dallas arrived in less than 30 minutes. They fixed my battery, super quick and professional. Customer 2, I got a pre-purchase inspection. A1 found major issues, saving me thousands. If you're stuck, pull over safely and turn on your hazard lights. Call us at 214-935-3831. Stay in your vehicle and wait for us. Dallas, when life throws you car troubles, don't sweat it. Call A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Dallas at 214-935-3831. Reliable, fast, and affordable. A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Dallas. Call us today.